With me today is our friend from Cisco who will demonstrate the actual control of the device.
So this is our...
Thank you, Eddie. Good morning, everyone. My name is Marty. I'm from Cisco. So let's say you're coming home and you'd like to open your doors to your home. You could actually control that using your iPad. The application is available on iTunes. And just press of a button, you can actually open and close your door. So this uses your regular doorknob, wherein you can use your keys, iPad, or you can use wireless. Likewise, let's say at the convenience of your room, someone's knocking or someone is at the lobby, I could actually use my ID camera and view who's outside of the door or how's my yaya treating my child.
So that's the camera right there?
The camera right there, and you can view it on your iPad. Right?
There, so you know what's happening inside your home.
You know what's happening
Even if
inside your
you're
home.
not inside your
Yes.
home.
And assuming you're on your way to your office in Makati, and you don't know whether you lock the door, you close the lights,
You forgot about
it, you don't need to go back. As long as you have a connection, you can actually control that from the convenience of your office using this device.
So it saves your time.
Yes.
And you actually secures your home.
Yes.
Okay.
Likewise, you can actually also control your movies. So coming from any source, like
So that's the TV right
right
there.
there. So here, actually I have a database of movies. It could come from my local media server. It could come from any cable provider like Signal, or it could be streamed from the internet. So I don't need to know where the movie is. If I want to see Avatar, it actually shows me Avatar.
So it's not...
It's not buffering.
Okay. So if you want to see the movie, I can just do it through my iPad, right?
And what we did is we actually control the lights. So when you turn on the movie, the lights actually dim. And when you press pause, it will go to half so that you could find your way to your popcorn.
So it's like remotely controlling everything in your house. Even the curtains. You can
Even the
control.
curtains. Anything that's connected, any appliance that's connected to the network, the home area network is actually controlled.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And the value of this for router is if we make the smart meter part of the network, we can actually push information from the company to the customer. Information like the prevailing rates, special per kilowatt hour, real time, and special announcement, and even warnings when there is a forthcoming typo. All this information can be sent to the customer to the home area network. So that's the value for router.